Hazur, we're still discussing the article published in Saudi Arabia concerning the situation in Gambia. Has Hazur got some more things to say?
I think I've said enough, haven't I?
I think so.
More than enough, perhaps. So anything else you want to ask?
Not in my mind.
You mentioned once that it is also published in some magazine in Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
That the AIDS is spreading widely and unrestrictedly in Saudi.
Yes.
Is it right?
It is. I didn't bring the quotation with me, but I can bring it.
But you have, you know, this published.
Yes, in the Al Bilad newspaper.
So what duality exists there?
Yes, this is what.
AIDS indicates so many moral destitutions, not just one. So it's indicative of a disease which claims so highly of being a model in Islamic conduct. But when you bring that, we'll discuss this later maybe. Yes.